Tara na't umuwi sa Alaga Ngayong Pasko with this traditional Pinoy recipe na may unique twist, ensaymada and Christmas ham. Let's make grilled ensaymada. Before we start, here's a pro tip. Did you know that you can freeze breads like ensaymadas to keep them fresh for longer? Pag ready na to consume, just defrost them in the microwave for about 1 minute at low to medium heat. Once defrosted, slice each ensaymada horizontally. Next, spread cream cheese on each piece. And season with salt and pepper. If you want to heat up the Christmas ham first, put it in to caramelize the ham sauce. While we're heating up the Christmas ham, let's heat up another non-stick pan for grilling. Once it's hot, melt butter on the pan, put ham on the ensaymada slices, and grill each sandwich until both sides are brown. Serve warm and enjoy!
Guys, look at that.
Ooh.
The best. The crust, oh my gosh guys. Must have during the holidays. You can't miss this.
Try nyo na tong grilled ensaymada para maging mas memorable ang pag-uwi natin ngayong Pasko.